Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on Trans Jamaica Highway. Now the government announced recently that they are going to be divesting all the shares that they have in Trans Jamaica Highway. So let's go back now. The government owns 20% of Trans Jamaica Highway, but they set up a company called NROC to manage that operation just in case there were any lawsuits or any major issues. They would sue NROC and not the government of Jamaica. So the government owns 20%, and the stock Trans Jamaica Highway trades on the stock exchange, and it does very well. Those shares that the government owns has tripled in value, and it's now worth 10 billion Jamaican dollars. So they plan to sell the shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, as to why the government is selling these shares, I'm not sure. Maybe it's a case where they just want to cash out, or maybe it has something to do with the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now, the NROC, which represents the government, and Trans Jamaica Highway are not seen eye to eye on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. Now, the government of Jamaica spent US $188 million to build the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Excellent road, it was opened, works well. Now the government wanted to sell the highway to Trans Jamaica Highway. So Trans Jamaica was to give the government, or the government wanted Trans Jamaica Highway to give them US 188 million to cover the cost of building the road, and then Trans Jamaica Highway, who owns the concession to collect toll on the highway, would charge toll and make back the money that they bought the highway for. But Trans Jamaica Highway said no, they're not interested in buying it for. I think the last price that was offered by Trans Jamaica Highway was to buy it for, I think, 18 million US or 20 million US, a figure far below the 188 million. So as a result of NROC and Trans Jamaica Highway not being able to come to an agreement, read the Maypen to Mandeville leg, no toll is being charged on that section of the highway. And we are actually driving on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway now. Very nice road. Job well done by China Harbour Engineering Company. But no toll is being collected. So I don't know if that issue is one of the reasons why the government is now divesting themselves from Trans Jamaica Highway. But the government, through NROC, is the largest shareholder in Trans Jamaica Highway. They own 20% of the stock. So if 20% of the stock is worth $10 billion, that means that the highway from Kingston to Mandeville is worth $50 billion. So some serious revenue is being collected on this highway. So guys, let me know what you think. Why do you think the government is selling their shares? Leave a comment in the section below. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government plans to do. It's not going to be my voice in the article because I have a slight case of the flu, so this is just temporary. We're going to use an automated voice for some of the articles, the long articles, until my voice gets back to normal. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. The government of Jamaica is preparing to divest its $10 billion stake in Trans Jamaican Highway Limited, the operator of the Highway 2000 east-west toll roads. This move will be executed through a public offering on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, as announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness during the 20th JSE Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference. The government currently holds a 20% stake in Trans Jamaican Highway through the National Road Operating and Constructing Company Limited, NROCC, amounting to 2.5 billion of the company's 12.5 billion shares. At the current market price of $4.22 per share, the stake is valued at approximately $10.55 billion. Since its listing on the JSE in March 2020, the value of Trans Jamaican's shares has tripled, reflecting the company's growth and resilience. The toll road operator, which has a 35-year concession for the east-west toll corridor, was valued at nearly $53 billion in market capitalization as of Wednesday. Additionally, the company is poised to exceed its 2023 profits of nearly $24 million, supported by total assets estimated at $297 million as of September 2024. This divestment is expected to create new investment opportunities within the Jamaican capital market. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.